Today we are make the video for the task assignment group project ECO560. We are choosing Jibril restaurant as our research for our assignment.
Firstly, I will talk about Jibril restaurant. Malaysia first speaker C restaurant. Mottos is 5-star taste and 2-star price. The fourth location of Jibril restaurant group is Jibril JB and it's in Lakin, right close to the Lakin Central Bus Station. Offer customer a unique dining experience with stylish decoration and comfortable seating. Its signature secret entrance through the bookshelf. Capacity 2 floor, 140 pax in total with 2 exclusive VIP rooms that can fit up to 16 pax. Next is the Jibril history. The cafe was named by Imran Sheikh and actor Akmir Ahmad Azwan, the owner of the cafe. The name of the cafe was inspired by the short film Jibril and UiTM mock trial, conducted by Imran and then adapted to a television series directed by Megat Shahrizal. Next is team of Jibril restaurant. From the left is Nurin Hasanah. She is co-founder and CIO. Next is Imran Sheikh. He is co-founder and CCO. Next, Akmir Ahmad Azwan, co-founder and CEO. Lastly, Muhammad Atikur Rahmat, co-founder and COO. Next, I will continue about basic economic problem of Jibril restaurant. First is what to produce. This restaurant has produced Western food such as buttermilk chicken, and this restaurant produced a lot of food based on buttermilk and salted egg. In addition to that, the beverages that are produced at Jibril restaurant are coffee and tea based, and also there are some other fruit-based drink. For fans of butter-based food, they can eat at Jibril restaurant because they will feel satisfied with the food that Jibril restaurant provide. How to produce? How to produce? Jibril restaurant is using a labor intensive. They are use human to do all the work inside the Jibril restaurant. For example, the cooking has its own chef and the employee who will take the order and will be the payment counter. Human workers in Jibril restaurant can quickly adjust to new tasks or production needed. For whom? Product of the Jibril restaurant were also made to fit any gender and were suitable for a multi-level society in regard to their age. Jibril restaurant in Johor Bahru also near to Lakin Bus Central, so that the tourists also can come dine in to explore the mysteries of Jibril restaurant. Next, I will continue with basic economic concept. First is scarcity. Jibril restaurant has their own scarcity that they can find it difficult to add new branches in other states because Jibril restaurant already has 4 branches. So, when they want to open a new branches, they need to find lands and buildings. They also need to find enough capital because they will open new restaurant that requires a lot of capital. Opportunity cost. Jibril produce food. There are definitely a lot of competition between the other eateries. So, if Jibril restaurant does not take the opportunity to improve their own businesses and make the perfect innovation, will make regular customer or customers who often come to Jibril restaurant will switch to the eatery that is around the Jibril restaurant. Lastly is choices. This Jibril restaurant has released a very interesting and delicious menus for its customers. For example, the Jibril restaurant menu mostly uses butter. So, most of all the food is made from butter. This is because the current trend is that people like to eat buttermilk and also made from butter. Next, I will continue with elasticity concept. Price elasticity affects a restaurant pricing strategy and it's correlate with total revenue. A product is deemed elastic of if there is a significant and shift in the quantity demand following a price adjustment. When there are no noticeable significant changes following a price rises or decreases, a product is said to be inelastic. There are several factors that influence price elasticity of demand of Jibril restaurant. First is availability of substitute. When the price raises, consumers have the option to respond by moving to a substitute that has not seen price increases. Jibril restaurant, for example, Jibril restaurant and X restaurant. For instance, there are substitute. Customer may decide to visit at restaurant in place of Jibril restaurant if the price there increases. Next is level of income. Those with high income generally have an elastic demand because being richer, they are less sensitive to price changes. However, those with lower income has an elastic demand, whereby a slight change in the price of a good will affect in their budget considerably. Lastly is proportion of income spent. The greater the proportion of income spent on a good, the more elasticity is the demand for the good. Demand tend to be more inelastic because it may take time for price changes to become known and for consumer to respond to it.
I will continue about fixed cost and variable cost. For the fixed cost, we have rent, building, salaries and equipment. For the variable cost, we have product suppliers, license fee, utilities and raw material. Next, I will continue about 4 types of market structure. Firstly is number of seller. Only one seller, multiple businesses compete within the market. Second is type of product. Different, similar but with subtle differences that set them apart. Similar product with distinctive branding or features. Third is entry condition. Low entry barriers due to the lack of substantial barriers. New businesses can enter the market rather simply. And lastly is control over price. Have some power over product prices. If the price difference gets too big, customer can still go to similar product supply. For the next part is company contribution to the local development. Have a positive and negative impact. For the positive impact is offer a wide range of occupation, both skilled and unskilled. Second, in infrastructure development, investing in improving local infrastructure. For the negative impact is high failure rate, The restaurant industry is notorious for its high failure rate. Second is increases in ingredient costs due to fluctuation in ingredient costs. Next part is the impact of the industry to the Malaysian economy. For the positive impact, increased food traffic attract customers to nearby businesses. Second is this sector offer a wide range of employment option for both skilled and unskilled workers. For the negative effect is the volatility of industry demand and profitability. Next is face difficulties due to the food offered being inspired from Western countries. For the last part is a recommendation for our restaurant. Firstly is tabletop robot. The robot can be placed on the table, allowing customer to browse the menu, place order, and even pay for their meal without the need for a human server. Second is these robots are equipped with sensor and GPS to navigate and deliver order to customer table.